Surah Yusuf, Joseph. This surah is Meccan, containing 12 sections and 111 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
ألف لام را تلك آيات الكتاب المبين.
Alif Lam Ra. These are verses of the clear book.
إنا أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون.
We sent it down as an Arabic Quran that you may understand.
نحن نقص عليك أحسن القصص بما أوحينا إليك هذا القرآن وإن كنت من قبله لمن الغافلين.
We relate to you the best of accounts through what we revealed to you of this Quran, though before this you were among the unaware.
إذ قال يوسف لأبيه يا أبت إني رأيت 11 كوكبا والشمس والقمر رأيتهم لي ساجدين.
And remember when Yusuf said to his father, "My father, indeed I saw 11 stars and the sun and the moon. I saw them prostrate to me."
قال يا بني لا تقصص رؤياك على إخوتك فيكيدوا لك كيدا إن الشيطان للإنسان عدو مبين.
He, Yaqub, said, "My son, do not relate your dream to your brothers, lest they plot against you. Certainly Satan is an open enemy of mankind."
وكذلك يجتبيك ربك ويعلمك من تأويل الأحاديث ويتم نعمته عليك وعلى آل يعقوب كما أتمها على أبويك من قبل إبراهيم وإسحاق إن ربك عليم حكيم.
And thus your Lord will select you, and he will teach you the interpretation of events, and will complete his favor upon you and upon the children of Yaqub, just as he completed it upon your forefathers previously, Ibrahim and Ishaq. Indeed, your Lord is all-knowing, most wise.
لقد كان في يوسف وإخوته آيات للسائلين.
Undoubtedly, in the account of Yusuf and his brothers, there are signs for those who inquire.
إذ قالوا ليوسف وأخوه أحب إلى أبينا منا ونحن عصبة إن أبانا لفي ضلال مبين.
And remember when they said, "Certainly Yusuf and his full brother are more beloved to our father than us, while we are a group. Our father is immersed in clear devotion to them."
اقتلوا يوسف أو اطرحوه أرضا يخل لكم وجه أبيكم وتكونوا من بعده قوما صالحين.
Kill Yusuf or banish him to some faraway land. Your father will then only focus on you. After that, become righteous people.
قال قائل منهم لا تقتلوا يوسف وألقوه في غيابة الجب يلتقطه بعض السيارة إن كنتم فاعلين.
A speaker among them said, "Do not kill Yusuf, rather cast him into the darkness of a well. A traveller will pick him up, if you are to do something."
قالوا يا أبانا ما لك لا تأمنا على يوسف وإنا له لناصحون.
They, the brothers, said, "Dear father, what is with you that you do not trust us regarding Yusuf, although we are his well-wishers?
أرسله معنا غدا يرتع ويلعب وإنا له لحافظون.
Send him with us tomorrow, that he may eat fruit and play, and indeed we are his protectors."
قال إني ليحزنني أن تذهبوا به وأخاف أن يأكله الذئب وأنتم عنه غافلون.
He, Yaqub, said, "Indeed, it saddens me that you should take him with you, and I fear lest a wolf devours him while you are heedless of him."
قالوا لئن أكله الذئب ونحن عصبة إنا إذا لخاسرون.
They said, "Certainly if a wolf devours him while we are a group, we are definitely losers."
فلما ذهبوا به وأجمعوا أن يجعلوه في غيابة الجب وأوحينا إليه لتنبئنهم بأمرهم هذا وهم لا يشعرون.
So when they took him, and they agreed to cast him into the darkness of the well, and we revealed to him, "You shall most certainly remind them of this deed of theirs while they will not perceive."
وجاءوا أباهم عشاء يبكون.
And they came to their father at night crying.
قالوا يا أبانا إنا ذهبنا نستبق وتركنا يوسف عند متاعنا فأكله الذئب وما أنت بمؤمن لنا ولو كنا صادقين.
They said, "Dear father, we went far racing each other, and we left Yusuf behind with our provisions. Then a wolf devoured him. You will not believe us even though we are truthful."
وجاءوا على قميصه بدم كذب قال بل سولت لكم أنفسكم أمرا فصبر جميل والله المستعان المستعان على ما تصفون.
And they brought his shirt covered in fake blood. He, Yaqub, said, "Rather your hearts have invented a matter, so patience is good, and it is Allah whose help is sought against what you relate."
وجاءت سيارة فأرسلوا واردهم فأدلى دلوه قال يا بشرى هذا غلام وأسروه بضاعة والله عليم بما يعملون.
A caravan came and sent their water carrier. He suspended his bucket and cried, "Glad tidings! This is a boy." They concealed him as merchandise, but Allah knows what they were doing.
وشروه بثمن بخس دراهم معدودة وكانوا فيه من الزاهدين.
And they, the brothers, sold him for a trivial sum of specified dirhams, and they were not inclined to him at all.
وقال الذي اشتراه من مصر لامرأته أكرمي مثواه عسى أن ينفعنا أو نتخذه ولدا وكذلك مكنا ليوسف في الأرض ولنعلمه من تأويل الأحاديث والله غالب على أمره ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
And the man from Egypt who bought him said to his wife, "Accommodate him with honor. Perhaps he may benefit us, or we may take him as a son." Thus we granted an abode to Yusuf in the earth so that we may teach him the interpretation of dreams. And the will of Allah is predominant in his matters, but most people do not know.
ولما بلغ أشده آتيناه حكما وعلما وكذلك نجزي المحسنين.
And when he, Yusuf, reached the peak of his youth, we endowed him with wisdom and knowledge. Thus we recompense the virtuous.
وراودته التي هو في بيتها عن نفسه وغلقت الأبواب وقالت هيت لك قال معاذ الله إنه ربي أحسن مثواي إنه لا يفلح الظالمون.
And she in whose house he was tried to tempt him against his conscience. And she locked all the doors and said, "Come here." He said, "I seek the refuge of Allah. Indeed, He is the one who raised me and made my residence exceptional. Transgressors do not prosper."
ولقد همت به وهم بها لولا أن رأى برهان ربه كذلك لنصرف عنه السوء والفحشاء إنه من عبادنا المخلصين.
Undoubtedly, she desired him, and he would have desired her, had he not seen a sign from his Lord. Like this, we kept evil and indecency away from him. He is among our chosen people.
واستبق الباب وقدت قميصه من دبر وألف يا سيدها لدى الباب قالت ما جزاء من أراد بأهلك سوءا إلا أن يسجن أو عذاب أليم.
They both ran towards the door, and she tore his shirt from his back, only to find her husband at the door. She said, "What is the consequence for the one who intends evil for your wife, except imprisonment or a painful punishment?"
قال هي راودتني عن نفسي وشهد شاهد من أهلها إن كان قميصه قد من قبل فصدقت وهو من الكاذبين.
He, Yusuf, said, "She tried to seduce me against my conscience. A witness testified from her family. If the shirt is torn from the front, she has spoken the truth, and he is not truthful.
وإن كان قميصه قد من دبر فكذبت وهو من الصادقين.
But if the shirt is torn from behind, she has lied, and he is from the truthful."
فلما رأى قميصه قد من دبر قال إنه من كيدكن إن كيدكن عظيم.
So when he, the governor, saw his shirt torn from behind, he said, "Indeed, this is from the plotting of you women. Indeed, your plotting is great."
يوسف أعرض عن هذا واستغفري لذنبك إنك كنت من الخاطئين.
Yusuf, overlook this matter, and you, woman, seek forgiveness for your sin. You are surely among the wrongdoers.
وقال نسوة في المدينة امرأة العزيز تراود فتاها عن نفسه قد شغفها حبا إنا لنراها في ضلال مبين.
And some women from the city said, "The governor's wife tempts her young man against his conscience. Indeed, love has overwhelmed her heart. Indeed, we see her in clear infatuation."
فلما سمعت بمكرهن أرسلت إليهن وأعتدت لهن متكئا وآتت كل واحدة منهن سكينا وقالت اخرج عليهم فلما رأينه أكبرنه وقطعن أيديهن وقلن حاش لله ما هذا بشرا إن هذا إلا ملك كريم.
So when she heard their words, she sent them an invitation, arranged luxurious seats for them, and gave each one of them a knife, then said to Yusuf, "Come forth before them." When they saw him, they extolled him and cut their hands and said, Allah is pure. This is not a human. This is a venerated angel.
قالت فذلكن الذي لمتنني فيه ولقد راودته عن نفسه فاستعصم ولئن لم يفعل ما آمره ليسجنن وليكونا من الصاغرين.
She said, "This is he about whom you rebuked me. Undoubtedly, I tried to tempt him against his conscience, but he saved himself. And if he does not comply with what I order him, he will most certainly be imprisoned and be among the humiliated."
قال رب السجن أحب إلي مما يدعونني إليه وإلا تصرف عني كيدهن أصب إليهن وأكن من الجاهلين.
He, Yusuf, said, "My Lord, prison is dearer to me than that they call me to, and if you do not turn away their deception from me, I will be inclined to them and be among the naive."
فاستجاب له ربه فصرف عنه كيدهم إنه هو السميع العليم.
So his Lord answered his prayer. So he turned away their deception from him. Indeed, he is the all-hearing, the all-knowing.
ثم بدا لهم من بعد ما رأوا الآيات ليسجننه حتى حين.
Then it became apparent to them, even after they had seen all the signs, that they shall most definitely imprison him for a while.
ودخل معه السجن فتيان قال أحدهما إني أراني أعصر خمرا وقال الآخر إني أراني أحمل فوق رأسي خبزا تأكل الطير منه نبئنا بتأويله إنا نراك من المحسنين.
And 2 young men entered the prison with him. One of them said, "I have seen myself in a dream extracting wine." The other said, "I saw myself carrying bread on my head from which birds were eating." Tell us the interpretation. We consider you to be among the virtuous.
قال لا يأتيكما طعام ترزقانه إلا نبأتكما بتأويله قبل أن يأتيكما ذلكما مما علمني ربي إني تركت ملة قوم لا يؤمنون بالله وهم بالآخرة هم كافرون.
He said, "The food that you are provided will not come to you except I will inform you of its interpretation before it comes to you. This is from the knowledge my Lord taught me. Indeed, I have denounced the religion of the people who do not believe in Allah, and they are deniers of the hereafter."
واتبعت ملة آبائي إبراهيم وإسحاق ويعقوب ما كان لنا أن نشرك بالله من شيء ذلك من فضل الله علينا وعلى الناس ولكن أكثر الناس لا يشكرون.
I have followed the religion of my forefathers, Ibrahim, Ishaq, and Yaqub. It is not for us that we ascribe anything as a partner of Allah. This is the grace of Allah upon us and upon the people. However, most people are ungrateful.
يا صاحبي السجن أأرباب متفرقون خير أم الله الواحد القهار.
My fellow prisoners, are many different gods better, or Allah the One, the Omnipotent?
ما تعبدون من دونه إلا أسماء سميتموها أنتم وآباؤكم ما أنزل الله بها من سلطان إن الحكم إلا لله أمر ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه ذلك الدين القيم ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
You only worship other than Him, names which you and your forefathers have named. Allah has not sent down evidence for them. The command belongs to Allah alone. He has commanded that you worship none except Him. This is the straight religion, although most people do not know.
يا صاحبي السجن أما أحدكما فيسقي ربه خمرا وأما الآخر فيصلب فتأكل الطير من رأسه قضي الأمر الذي فيه تستفتيان.
My fellow prisoners, as for one of you, so he will serve wine to his king. As for the other, he will be crucified, and birds will feed from his head. The matter about which both of you had inquired has been decreed.
وقال للذي ظن أنه ناج منهما اذكرني عند ربك فأنساه الشيطان ذكر ربه فلبث في السجن بضع سنين.
And he said to the one whom he thought would be saved of the two, mention me to your king. But Satan made him forget to mention Yusuf to his king. So Yusuf, remained in prison for a few more years.
وقال الملك إني أرى 7 بقرات سمان يأكلهن 7 عجاف و7 سنبلات خضر وأخر يابسات يا أيها الملأ أفتوني في رؤياي إن كنتم للرؤيا تعبرون.
And the king said, I dreamt of 7 fat cows being devoured by 7 lean cows, and 7 green ears of grain, and 7 others dry. O courtiers, answer me about my dream if you know the interpretation of dreams.
قالوا أضغاث أحلام وما نحن بتأويل الأحلام بعالمين.
They said, "These are false dreams, and we do not know the interpretation of such dreams."
وقال الذي نجا منهما وادكر بعد أمة أنا أنبئكم بتأويله فأرسلون.
And the one who was saved of the two said, and he remembered after some time, "I will relate to you its interpretation, so send me to Yusuf."
يوسف أيها الصديق أفتنا في 7 بقرات سمان يأكلهن 7 عجاف و7 سنبلات خضر وأخر يابسات لعلي أرجع إلى الناس لعلهم يعلمون.
Dear Yusuf, O truthful one, answer us regarding the 7 fat cows being devoured by 7 lean cows, and 7 green ears of grain and others dry, so that I may return to the people and they may know.
قال تزرعون 7 سنين دأبا فما حصدتم فذروه في سنبله إلا قليلا مما تأكلون.
He, Yusuf, said, "You will plant grain for 7 consecutive years. Whatever you harvest, leave it in its ear, except for the little which you will eat."
ثم يأتي من بعد ذلك 7 شداد يأكلن ما قدمتم لهن إلا قليلا مما تحصنون.
Then there will come 7 years of hardship, which will consume what you stored for those years, except a little from what you will preserve.
ثم يأتي من بعد ذلك عام فيه يغاث الناس وفيه يعصرون.
Then there will come a year in which the people will be given rain, and they will extract juice and oil.
وقال الملك ائتوني به فلما جاءه الرسول قال ارجع إلى ربك فاسأله ما بال النسوة اللاتي قطعن أيديهن إن ربي بكيدهن عليم.
The king said, "Bring him to me." So when the messenger came to him, he, Yusuf, said, "Return to your king, then ask him, what of the women who had cut their hands? Indeed, my Lord knows their deception."
قال ما خطبكن إذ راوتن يوسف عن نفسه قلنا حاش لله ما علمنا عليه من سوء. قالت امرأة العزيز الآن حصحص الحق أنا راودته عن نفسه وإنه لمن الصادقين.
He, the king, said, O women, what was your state when you tempted Yusuf against his conscience? They said, Allah is pure. We did not find any evil in him. The wife of the governor said, Now the truth has become apparent. I wanted to tempt him against his conscience. He is among the truthful.
ذلك ليعلم أني لم أخنه بالغيب وأن الله لا يهدي كيد الخائنين.
Yusuf said, I did this so that he, the governor, comes to know that I did not breach his trust in his absence. Allah does not give success to the plots of traitors.
وما أبرئ نفسي إن النفس لأمارة بالسوء إلا ما رحم ربي إن ربي غفور رحيم.
And I do not absolve my soul. Indeed, the soul excessively commands evil, except for one upon whom my Lord bestows mercy. Indeed, my Lord is most forgiving, most merciful.
وقال الملك ائتوني به أستخلصه لنفسي فلما كلمه قال إنك اليوم لدينا مكين أمين.
And the king said, Bring him to me, that I may appoint him for myself. So when the king spoke to him, he said, Indeed, this day you are honored, trustworthy for us.
قال اجعلني على خزائن الأرض إني حفيظ عليم.
He, Yusuf, said, Appoint me over the treasures of the earth. Indeed, I am a protector knowledgeable.
وكذلك مكنا ليوسف في الأرض يتبوأ منها حيث يشاء نصيب برحمتنا من نشاء ولا نضيع أجر المحسنين.
And thus we granted authority to Yusuf in the earth to settle wherever he pleased. We bestow our mercy upon whomsoever we will, and we do not annul the reward of the virtuous.
وَلَأَجْرُ الْآخِرَةِ خَيْرٌ لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَكَانُوا يَتَّقُونَ.
And certainly the reward of the hereafter is better for those who believe and remain pious.
وجاء إخوة يوسف فدخلوا عليه فعرفهم وهم له منكرون.
And the brothers of Yusuf came, so they appeared before him. He recognized them, and yet they were unaware of him.
ولما جهزهم بجهازهم قال ائتوني بأخ لكم من أبيكم ألا ترون أني أوفي الكيل وأنا خير المنزلين.
And when he gave them their provisions, he said, Bring forth your paternal stepbrother. Do you not see that I give full measure, and I am the best of hosts?
فإن لم تأتوني به فلا كيل لكم عندي ولا تقربون.
So if you do not bring him to me, then I have no measure for you, and you will not come near me.
قالوا سنراود عنه أباه وإنا لفاعلون.
They said, "We shall ask his father concerning him, and indeed we will do this."
وقال لفتيانه اجعلوا بضاعتهم في رحالهم لعلهم يعرفونها إذا انقلبوا إلى أهلهم لعلهم يرجعون.
And he, Yusuf, said to his servants, "Place their money in their sacks, that they may come to know of it when they go back to their family, so that they may return."
فلما رجعوا إلى أبيهم قالوا يا أبانا منع منا الكيل فأرسل معنا أخانا نكتل وإنا له لحافظون.
So when they returned to their father, they said, "O our father, the provision of grain has been stopped for us. So send forth our brother with us, so that we may obtain the measure. We shall be his guardians."
قال هل آمنكم عليه إلا كما أمنتكم على أخيه من قبل فالله خير حافظا وهو أرحم الراحمين.
He, Yaqub, said, "Should I trust you in this matter just as I trusted you concerning his brother previously? So Allah is the best protector, and He is the most merciful of the merciful."
ولما فتحوا متاعهم وجدوا بضاعتهم ردت إليهم قالوا يا أبانا ما نبغي هذه بضاعتنا ردت إلينا ونمير أهلنا ونحفظ أخانا ونزداد كيل بعير ذلك كيل يسير.
And when they opened their merchandise, they discovered their money which had been returned to them. They said, "O our father, what do we want? This is our money which has been returned to us, and we shall bring grain for our family and protect our brother, and obtain another camel load of grain. This is an easy load."
قال لن أرسله معكم حتى تؤتون موثقا من الله لتأتونني به إلا أن يحاط بكم فلما آتوه موثقهم قال الله على ما نقول وكيل.
He, Yaqub, said, "I will certainly not send him with you until you express to me a solemn oath by Allah that you will surely bring him to me, unless you are overcome by some great misfortune." So when they gave him their solemn oath, he said, "Allah is the witness over what we are saying."
وقال يا بني لا تدخلوا من باب واحد وادخلوا من أبواب متفرقة وما أغني عنكم من الله من شيء إن الحكم إلا لله عليه توكلت وعليه فليتوكل المتوكلون.
And he said, O my son, do not enter from one gate, rather enter from different gates. I cannot save you from Allah in any way. The command is for Allah alone. I have placed my trust in Him, and those who trust should place their trust only in Him.
ولما دخلوا من حيث أمرهم أبوهم ما كان يغني عنهم من الله من شيء إلا حاجة في نفس يعقوب قضاها وإنه لذو علم لما علمناه ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
And when they entered from where their father had instructed them to, he could not save them from Allah's decree in any way. However, there was a wish in Yaqub's heart which he fulfilled. Indeed, he was knowledgeable, as we had taught him, although most people do not know.
ولما دخلوا على يوسف آوى إليه أخاه قال إني أنا أخوك فلا تبتئس بما كانوا يعملون.
And when they appeared before Yusuf, he gave his full brother space next to him, saying, Indeed, I am your real brother, so do not grieve upon what they are doing.
فلما جهزهم بجهازهم جعل السقاية في رحل أخيه ثم أذن مؤذن أيتها العير إنكم لسارقون.
So when he gave them their provisions, he placed a vessel in his brother's bag. Then a herald called out, O people of the caravan, you are indeed thieves.
قالوا وأقبلوا عليهم ماذا تفقدون.
They turned to them and said, What are you missing?
قالوا نفقد صواع الملك ولمن جاء به حمل بعير وأنا به زعيم.
They, i.e. the heralds, said, We do not find the king's vessel, and whosoever brings it forth will have a camel load of grain, and I am his guarantor.
قالوا تالله لقد علمتم ما جئنا لنفسد في الأرض وما كنا سارقين.
They said, By Allah, you know well that we have not come to spread discord in the earth, and we are not thieves.
قالوا فما جزاؤه إن كنتم كاذبين.
They, i.e. the heralds, said, So what will be the recompense if you are liars?
قالوا جزاؤه من وجد في رحله فهو جزاؤه كذلك نجزي الظالمين.
They said, Its recompense is this, that he in whose bag it is found, then he himself will be its recompense. Thus we punish the oppressors.
فبدأ بأوعيتهم قبل وعاء أخيه ثم استخرجها من وعاء أخيه كذلك كدنا ليوسف ما كان ليأخذ أخاه في دين الملك إلا أن يشاء الله نرفع درجات من نشاء وفوق كل ذي علم عليم.
So he, Yusuf, began with their bags before his brother's bag. Then he took out the vessel from his brother's bag. Thus we related a plan to Yusuf. He could not take his brother according to the law of the king, unless Allah willed it so. We elevate the rank of whomsoever we will, and above every possessor of knowledge, there is one with knowledge.
قالوا إن يسرق فقد سرق أخ له من قبل فأسرها يوسف في نفسه ولم يبدها لهم قال أنتم شر مكانا والله أعلم بما تصفون.
They, i.e., the brothers said, if he has stolen, then indeed a brother of his has stolen before. So Yusuf concealed it in his heart and did not make it apparent to them. He said to himself, you are the worst people in rank, and Allah knows best what you are saying.
قالوا يا أيها العزيز إن له أبا شيخا كبيرا فخذ أحدنا مكانه إنا نراك من المحسنين.
They pleaded, O governor, his father is a most elderly man, so take one of us in his place. Indeed, we consider you to be among the virtuous.
قال معاذ الله أن نأخذ إلا من وجدنا متاعنا عنده إنا إذا لظالمون.
He, Yusuf, said, I seek the refuge of Allah that we take anyone other than he with whom we found our merchandise. Otherwise, we will be unjust.
فلما استيئسوا منه خلصوا نجيا قال كبيرهم ألم تعلموا أن أباكم قد أخذ عليكم موثقا من الله ومن قبل ما فرطتم في يوسف فلن أبرح الأرض حتى يأذن لي أبي أو يحكم الله لي وهو خير الحاكمين.
So when they lost hope regarding him, their brother, they segregated to consult in private. The eldest of them said, do you not know that your father has taken a solemn oath of Allah from you, and prior to this you were neglectful concerning Yusuf? So I will never turn back from this land until my father grants permission or Allah passes judgment for me. He is the best of judges.
ارجعوا إلى أبيكم فقولوا يا أبانا إن ابنك سرق وما شهدنا إلا بما علمنا وما كنا للغيب حافظين.
Return to your father, then say, O our father, your son has stolen, and we only testify to that which we knew. We were not guardians of the unseen.
واسأل القرية التي كنا فيها والعير التي أقبلنا فيها وإنا لصادقون.
Ask the inhabitants of the village in which we were, and the caravan in which we returned. We are indeed truthful.
قال بل سولت لكم أنفسكم أمرا فصبر جميل عسى الله أن يأتيني بهم جميعا إنه هو العليم الحكيم.
He, Yaqub, said, Rather your souls tempted you to an evil matter, so beautiful patience is my only way. It is near that Allah brings them all to me. Surely He is the all-knowing, the all-wise.
وتولى عنهم وقال يا أسفا على يوسف وابيضت عيناه من الحزن فهو كظيم.
And he, Yaqub, turned his face away and said, Alas, my sorrow for Yusuf. And his eyes became white from grief, so he suppressed his sorrow.
قالوا تالله تفتأ تذكر يوسف حتى تكون حرضا أو تكون من الهالكين.
They, i.e. the brothers, said, By Allah, you will remember Yusuf incessantly until you lose your health or life.
قال إنما أشكو بثي وحزني إلى الله وأعلم من الله ما لا تعلمون.
He, Yaqub, said, I only express my distress and my sorrow to Allah, and I know from Allah that which you do not know.
يا بني اذهبوا فتحسسوا من يوسف وأخيه ولا تيأسوا من روح الله إنه لا ييأس من روح الله إلا القوم الكافرون.
My sons, go forth, then inquire about Yusuf and his brother, and do not lose hope in the mercy of Allah. Only the disbelievers lose hope in Allah's mercy.
فلما دخلوا عليه قالوا يا أيها العزيز مسنا وأهلنا الضر وجئنا ببضاعة مزجاة فأوف لنا الكيل وتصدق علينا إن الله يجزي المتصدقين.
So when they appeared before him, Yusuf, they said, O governor, calamity has befallen us and our family, and we have brought an insignificant sum. So grant us full measure and be charitable to us. Allah recompenses those who give charity.
قال هل علمتم ما فعلتم بيوسف وأخيه إذ أنتم جاهلون.
He, Yusuf, said, Do you know what you did to Yusuf and his brother when you were ignorant?
قالوا أئنك لأنت يوسف قال أنا يوسف وهذا أخي قد من الله علينا إنه من يتق ويصبر فإن الله لا يضيع أجر المحسنين.
They said, Are you really Yusuf? He said, I am Yusuf, and this is my brother. Allah has bestowed favor upon us. Indeed, whosoever adopts piety and has patience, then indeed Allah does not annul the award of the virtuous.
قالوا تالله لقد آثرك الله علينا وإن كنا لخاطئين.
They said, By Allah, certainly Allah has granted you excellence over us, and we are indeed wrongdoers.
قال لا تثريب عليكم اليوم يغفر الله لكم وهو أرحم الراحمين.
He said, This day there is no blame upon you. May Allah forgive you. He is the most merciful of the merciful ones.
اذهبوا بقميصي هذا فألقوه على وجه أبي يأت بصيرا وأتوني بأهلكم أجمعين.
Go forth with this shirt of mine and place it upon the face of my father. He will regain his sight. And bring all your family to me.
ولما فصلت العير قال أبوهم إني لأجد ريح يوسف لولا أن تفندون.
And when the caravan departed from Egypt, their father said, Indeed, I sense the scent of Yusuf if you do not consider me to be lacking judgment.
قالوا تالله إنك لفي ضلالك القديم.
They said, By Allah, you are immersed in your long-standing affection.
فلما أن جاء البشير ألقاه على وجهه فارتد بصيرا قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم من الله ما لا تعلمون.
So when the bearer of glad tidings came and placed it upon his face, he regained his sight. He, Yaqub, said, Did I not tell you, indeed I know from Allah that which you do not know?
قالوا يا أبانا استغفر لنا ذنوبنا إنا كنا خاطئين.
They, i.e., the sons said, O our father, seek forgiveness for our sins. We were wrongdoers.
قال سوف أستغفر لكم ربي إنه هو الغفور الرحيم.
He said, Soon I shall seek forgiveness for you from my Lord. He is the most forgiving, the most merciful.
فلما دخلوا على يوسف آوى إليه أبويه وقال ادخلوا مصر إن شاء الله آمنين.
So when they appeared before Yusuf, he gave space to his parents near himself and said, "Enter Egypt, if Allah wills, in peace."
ورفع أبويه على العرش وخروا له سجدا وقال يا أبت هذا تأويل رؤياي من قبل قد جعلها ربي حقا وقد أحسن بي إذ أخرجني من السجن وجاء بكم من البدو من بعد أن نزغ الشيطان بيني وبين إخوتي إن ربي لطيف لما يشاء إنه هو العليم الحكيم.
And he elevated his parents upon the throne, and they all fell into prostration before him, and he said, "O my father, this is the interpretation of my dream from the past. My Lord has made it come true. Surely he bestowed his favor upon me by freeing me from prison and bringing all of you from the village after Satan had created discord between me and my brothers. My Lord facilitates whatever he wills. He is the all-knowing, the most wise."
رب قد آتيتني من الملك وعلمتني من تأويل الأحاديث فاطر السماوات والأرض أنت وليي في الدنيا والآخرة توفني مسلما وألحقني بالصالحين.
O my Lord, you have endowed me with a kingdom and taught me the interpretation of dreams. O Creator of the heavens and the earth, you are my helper in this world and in the hereafter. Grant me death as a believer and include me among the righteous elite.
ذلك من أنباء الغيب نوحيه إليك وما كنت لديهم إذ أجمعوا أمرهم وهم يمكرون.
These are some accounts of the unseen which we relate to you. And you were not with them when they, i.e., his brothers, had firmly intended their matter while they were plotting.
وما أكثر الناس ولو حرصت بمؤمنين.
And most people will not embrace faith even if you wish it.
وما تسألهم عليه من أجر إن هو إلا ذكر للعالمين.
And you do not seek recompense from them for it, i.e., preaching. This is only advice for the whole world.
وكأي من آية في السماوات والأرض يمرون عليها وهم عنها معرضون.
How many signs are there in the heavens and the earth which people encounter but remain oblivious to them?
وما يؤمن أكثرهم بالله إلا وهم مشركون.
And most of them do not believe in Allah except that they ascribe partners to Him.
أفأمنوا أن تأتيهم غاشية من عذاب الله أو تأتيهم الساعة بغتة وهم لا يشعرون.
Have they become afraid concerning this, that an overshadowing punishment from Allah may come upon them? Or the hour may suddenly come upon them while they do not perceive?
قل هذه سبيلي أدعو إلى الله على بصيرة أنا ومن اتبعني وسبحان الله وما أنا من المشركين.
Say, this is my way. I call towards Allah. I and those who follow me are upon clear evidence. And Allah is pure from every fault. And I am not among the polytheists.
وما أرسلنا من قبلك إلا رجالا نوحي إليهم من أهل القرى أفلم يسيروا في الأرض فينظروا كيف كان عاقبة الذين من قبلهم ولدار الآخرة خير للذين اتقوا أفلا تعقلون.
And we did not send anyone before you except men from the inhabitants of the cities, to whom we sent the revelation. Have they not travelled in the earth and witnessed what became of those who preceded them? Certainly the abode of the hereafter is better for those who adopt piety. Do you not understand?
حتى إذا استيأس الرسل وظنوا أنهم قد كذبوا جاءهم نصرنا فنجي من نشاء ولا يرد بأسنا عن القوم المجرمين.
When the messengers lost hope in material means and the people thought that they were denied help, our help came to them, and we saved whomsoever we will. Our punishment is not averted from the transgressing nation.
لقد كان في قصصهم عبرة لأولي الألباب ما كان حديثا يفترى ولكن تصديق الذي بين يديه وتفصيل كل شيء وهدى ورحمة لقوم يؤمنون.
Indeed, there is a lesson in their accounts for the possessors of insight. This Quran is not a statement which can be invented. However, it confirms that which preceded it, and contains a detailed account of everything, and guidance and mercy for the people of faith.